Project Solar Ranger, Secret Sun. Monitoring. Deep within the classified archives of NASA lies one of the most enigmatic and potentially dangerous projects ever undertaken by humanity. Project Solar Ranger. While the world has been led to believe that NASA's solar monitoring programs, such as the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, and Parker Solar Probe, are purely scientific endeavors aimed at understanding solar activity, the truth is far more sinister. Project Solar Ranger is not just about studying the sun. It's about preparing for an imminent threat, one that has the potential to reset human civilization in an instant. Hidden from public scrutiny, this classified mission is designed not to observe the sun, but to protect the Earth from what lies beyond it. The origins of Project Solar Ranger trace back to the early 1980s, when NASA's solar monitoring satellites began detecting anomalies that couldn't be explained by conventional astrophysics. Strange energy signatures, rapid fluctuations in solar radiation, and unexplained gravitational disturbances pointed to the possibility that something was interacting with the sun, something that wasn't supposed to be there. These anomalies coincided with an increase in solar storms and geomagnetic disturbances that disrupted communication systems and power grids on Earth. But what caught the attention of intelligence agencies wasn't just the severity of these solar events, it was the pattern behind them. Classified data revealed that these anomalies were not random. They followed a structured pattern, occurring at intervals that suggested intelligent design. The unsettling realization dawned on those who had analyzed the data. The sun was being influenced by an external force, an unknown entity or technology operating beyond the limits of our understanding. Fearing the implications, NASA initiated Project Solar Ranger, a covert program tasked with monitoring these anomalies and determining their origin. But what Solar Ranger uncovered was far more terrifying than anyone could have imagined. By the late 1990s, data collected by Solar Ranger's classified satellites indicated that the anomalies were not just interactions with the sun, they were signals. These signals, pulsing in structured sequences, appeared to be directed toward a region of space beyond the solar system. Analysis suggested that the signals were acting as a form of beacon, either a warning or a call for attention. But the most chilling discovery came when Solar Ranger detected a response. In 2003, a series of unexplained solar flares erupted from the sun, far more powerful than any previously recorded. While the public was told that these were natural solar phenomena, classified data indicated otherwise. These flares were not random. They were synchronized with an incoming signal originating from deep space. The signal was precise, deliberate, and eerily similar to the patterns detected by Solar Ranger years earlier. It was as if the sun was responding to an external stimulus, an unknown force that had activated something within the solar core. As Solar Ranger's data poured in, a terrifying hypothesis emerged within classified circles. The sun, long believed to be a natural star governed by predictable laws of physics, might not be entirely natural. Evidence suggested that the sun's core contained an anomaly, an artificial construct that had been embedded deep within the star eons ago. This construct, possibly of extraterrestrial origin, appeared to be regulating solar activity. But if the construct had been dormant for millennia, why was it suddenly reactivating? And who or what was triggering it? In 2009, NASA quietly launched a classified solar probe, codenamed Sentinel, under the guise of a routine solar observation mission. But Sentinel's true mission was to investigate the anomaly detected by Solar Ranger and determine whether it posed a threat to Earth. What Sentinel discovered defied all expectations. Buried within the sun's core was a massive structure, emitting faint but consistent energy signatures that matched the signals intercepted by Solar Ranger. This structure was ancient, possibly predating the formation of the solar system itself. But what was more alarming was that the structure appeared to be awakening. Sentinel's data indicated that the anomaly was not merely a dormant artifact. It was a containment device, a failsafe designed to regulate the sun's energy output and prevent catastrophic solar events. But something had triggered the failsafe, and the system was now destabilizing. Solar Ranger's most classified reports warned that if the containment failed, the resulting solar explosion would not only devastate Earth, but could also create a cascading reaction that destabilized the entire solar system. As the 2010s unfolded, Solar Ranger's monitoring intensified. Classified documents revealed that solar anomalies were increasing, and the signals detected by the program had grown more frequent and complex. But the most disturbing revelation came in 2017, when Solar Ranger intercepted a new signal, one that was not directed toward deep space, but toward Earth itself. This signal, encoded with patterns matching those detected from the sun's anomaly, suggested that whatever was influencing the sun was now aware of humanity. Fearing public panic, NASA and its classified partners buried the findings under layers of disinformation. Solar storms were blamed on natural solar cycles, while warnings of electromagnetic disturbances were dismissed as conspiracy theories. But those who understood the true scope of Solar Ranger's findings knew that humanity was on borrowed time. The sun's anomaly was destabilizing, and unless the failsafe could be restored, Earth was at risk of experiencing an extinction-level event. Today, Project Solar Ranger remains one of the most closely guarded secrets in modern history. As solar activity increases and anomalies become more frequent, the world remains blissfully unaware of the invisible war being fought to prevent a cosmic catastrophe. But the real danger lies in the unknown. If the anomaly at the heart of the sun was placed there by an ancient intelligence, what happens when that intelligence returns? And if the sun's failsafe was meant to protect us, what happens if it was never meant to last forever? The truth about Project Solar Ranger is not just a warning. It's a revelation that humanity's survival may hinge on forces beyond our comprehension. And as the sun continues to send its silent signals into the void, one chilling question lingers. Are we ready for what comes next? Or are we standing on the precipice of a cosmic event that could end everything we know?